Okay, we have a TRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPMSX3, serial number 083CF62115. This machine was new in 2008, and we are running. Machine has a PROTO-TRAK SMX control. Right now he's in the low gear.
Yeah, it's about 150.
150. Machine's nice and quiet. 350 RPM. Machine has a 10 by 50 table. We're going into high gear. It goes up to 2,500. 1,000 RPM. All right. Running the control. He's jogging the x-axis. There's 31 inches of x travel. Again, 10 by 50 table. Just nice and quiet. That's your Y. Your Y has 17. And your Z up and down 23.5. Nice and quiet. Also, when you move the quill, it does the math on the Z. It does the counting. So if you move the head or the quill, it will change the Z-axis position. All right, also you have a torque right, air actuated power drawbar with the machine. This machine's original paint. Hey, thank you for watching our video.